Welcome to the CHRS Absence Management tutorial on how managers can approve absence requests or entries in CHRS. You can use the topics in the notes for this video to jump to specific sections within the video. Closed captions are available for this presentation. Click on the CC icon in the play bar to enable closed captions. To access the approvals for absences, log into the campus portal and select Manager Homepage in the Titan Online widget. Select Fullerton as the campus, then click Login. Click on the navbar compass icon at the top right of the screen. Click on the Menu button. Select Manager Self-Service. Then select Time Management. Select Approve Time and Exceptions. Then select Multiple Absence Requests. You can scroll to the right or click on an employee's name to view more details about the absence request, including the employee's leave balance. Unfortunately, you won't be able to tell from the screen if your department timekeeper has reviewed the entries, so be sure to touch base with your timekeeper before approving entries. Once you are ready, place a check mark next to each entry you want to approve. Now let's scroll down to choose an action. The approver comments are optional if you are approving the absence. Click Approve to approve the selected absences. Click Yes to confirm the approval. Click OK. The approved absences are now grayed out, and the employees will get email notifications that their absences were approved. Let's look at sending an absence back to an employee for correction. We'll start by placing a check mark next to the absence you want to send back to the employee. When sending absences back to an employee for correction, the approver comments are required because you need to let the employee know what changes need to be made to the absence. That also means that the comment will be specific to a single employee and absence, so you will typically process these one by one rather than in bulk. In this example, I'll add a comment for the specific sick leave absence for Igneous. Then click Push Back to send the absence back to the employee for correction. Click Yes to confirm that you want to push back the absence for correction. Then click OK. The employee will get an email notification that the absence was sent back for correction. When the employee corrects the absence and resubmits it, you'll receive an email and can return to the screen to approve the updated absence. Now let's look at additional options for this screen by clicking on Search. Note that the default workflow status is My Pendings. You can use this menu to choose to view approved or pushed back absence requests. You can also adjust the from and through date to view absence requests for a specific date range. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Please see the notes for this video for links to training guides and resources.